Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy, aka Cybex Trades, and today I'm going to be doing another trade review breakdown. So today I only traded Tesla, and it was basically one trade out of one. And yeah, let's go ahead and break it down. Quick short trade, nothing too fancy. So coming into the day, this is the second week of August. My game plan was pretty much to trade Tesla, SPY, Meta, and Microsoft. And Tesla had the best price action in terms of right off the open. So yeah, I mean, coming to the day, let's start off with SPY. SPY was coming in here at, let me see where this reject happened. Yeah, so I mean, basically, so on my Tesla trade, I was looking for the key level break of 250. So if we go ahead and look at the bigger time frame, these are the key levels that I plotted: 253, 255, 250, 248. The game plan and thesis went perfectly as I made in the pre-market plan, but my execution in terms of my entry and my stop loss was really trash because this made me exit early, and I noticed that yeah, I mean, overall, I came out luckily green, but to be honest with you, I could have caught this whole move to 248, and I exited like at 249.07. And yeah, I just got shaken out of 1 minute candle, man. So moving on from now, what I'm gonna do is side note for myself is to not exit a position until it hits the 9 EMA above that. It's just one of those dynamic stop losses that I'm just gonna have to incorporate for me to really hold this position, not be a chicken. So I literally exited right here. I saw the volume and I was like, okay, this could reverse here. And I guess it could be like a premium thing as well. I'm not really used to Tesla's price movements. Like as soon as I saw the symmetrical triangle forming, by the way, I saw the symmetrical triangle forming here. If we go ahead and remove these, so I saw this forming here, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter. I'm watching Tesla closely. Boom, and I saw it pretty much break the 250 level, and then it broke it actually pretty fast. So I entered like, I believe I entered like right around here, 249.81 or something like that. Market order bids and asks were pretty tight, so I didn't really care. And it was already like at 245, 249.45. I was like, dang, that's already like a pretty hefty 50-cent move almost. And yeah, so I didn't really held. And looking at the bigger time frame, man, um, I'm pretty dumb. So yeah, as you guys can see, went to 248 and went and broke below that and went all the way to 246. So yeah, I mean, then again, it is the start of the week. I don't want to be too hard on myself at the end of the day. Oh, sorry, this is the 15-minute. What the heck? Anyway, so yeah, broke 248 and went over here all the way to 246.56 before rejecting it at 248 again and then coming down and then doing its thing later on and moving around and chopping around a little bit. But anyway, so yeah, that was basically it. That was the only trade that I had, to be honest with you. I'm pretty disappointed in myself because it's like, you know, sizing into it, going into it, I was gonna take one contract. Like my size was defined. Let me just go ahead and make this a little bit better. No, it's just whatever. This is fine. Anyway, sizing into it, I was only one contract because of CPI we have on Thursday, and that economic data as well. So it's pretty huge. So I was gonna say, I was gonna look at market and be like, okay, we could definitely be chopping, till we get there, or potential signs of chop in the morning. But that didn't really happen actually, because right off the bat here, this play was in sync with this play as well, the 253 level reject. I didn't really focus too much on the bigger time frames, which I should have in terms of the hourly and the 4 hour, to really trust these my levels that I really plot, because they do hit. I mean, come on, man, this is like beautiful, beautiful butter, beautiful levels hit back to back. 253 reject, 250 break, and then 248 right there, consolidation break. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, there's nothing wrong with my technical analysis in terms of my levels, but I just need to get better at myself, which is to work on myself. And yeah, so that's really it's really the whole point of these recaps is to hold myself, look back and really see how I've improved, 6 7 months, year down the line. And yeah, so I mean, this beautiful reject of the 449.50, boom, and then Tesla followed as well, boom, dropped to 250, and then we had this drop of SPY here, and then chopped around and then did its thing. And yeah, I mean, this was just beautiful. It was simply me that really butchered this trade for me, screwing my risk to reward. But yeah, overall, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not really much about it. Beautiful, beautiful breakdown to the downside. This could have been a beautiful trade, for my small account especially. Could have really made a good cushion. But hey, it is what it is. On to the next one. I'm not gonna think about it too much. Market up. There's always opportunity. In the markets every day. So yeah, I did my. Simply this helps me learn, and I know what to now learn and how to really approach Tesla better in terms of its price action, because it is definitely a mega cap stock, so I'm not too like familiar with its price action movement on the because when I look back on the tape, it was still selling off right as I got here. Like it was literally still selling off. Like heavy selling pressure was there. I was just being dumb to be honest with you. So I didn't really look at the tape too much because TOS tape is not the best, but maybe that's just an excuse. But overall, yeah, I mean, it was just beautifully selling off. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this trade today. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.